In the past few years, 4K videos have gradually become so dominant in our lives. However, there are still so many low resolution videos. Do you want to make the blurry images clear? Don't worry. So today's video is prepared for you. I will launch a software that can actually change the rules of the game, and it will completely change your understanding. It can effortlessly make your video clearer, even a 4K masterpiece, without actually affecting the quality of the video itself. Okay, so let's reveal its name, which is UniFab Video Upscaler AI. It can improve the quality and clarity of video. Low resolution videos can be improved to 1000 and 80p or even 4K image quality. Significant effects in low resolution videos, black and white movies, homemade videos, and just animation. This time, we also selected these 4 types of 480 pulse videos for repair. Let's look forward to how UniFab really performed. We can see that the interface of UniFab is very simple. So with the steps for operating the software in the center of the screen, you can import video or maybe a video folder. We just click to import video. Here you can rename the video and view its basic information, including video resolution, video format, audio format, and just file size. The 3 buttons are used to perform trim, crop, and audio operations just on the video. Hit trim to see the steps on the right, click on the small scissors to trim the video. You can delete the video after trim and leave the desired segments without segmentation here. Click crop, you can crop, rotate, and just flip the video without making any modifications. The audio interface allows you to perform some sound operation. Okay, here you can adjust the resolution, audio, and video format of the video. We will adjust the video to 4K, and the audio format will be the same as the original. Dive into advanced settings by clicking on settings. You can modify the quality of the video, which can change the video's bitrate. Due to the highest bit rate of 4K videos, reaching 5000 kbps, the bit rate will not change. When a video is set to 1080 Hz, the video's bit rate will change, and the change in bitrate will also affect the output quality of the video. Below are some settings for audio. You can choose the audio format according to your own needs, which is the same as the original video. Subtitles are also chosen according to one's own need. So finally, just click on Start. You can see that UniFab's workspace is very minimalistic, making it really easy to see the progress of the work. In the top right corner of the interface, the CPU and GPU usage of the computer are displayed. So let's give it a moment. Here we can see the processing speed of UniFab, initially 5 to 7 pets, then the speed gradually increases, reaching a pretty maximum of 7.55 pets. Therefore, through calculation, it can be concluded that for a video of 10/3 frames per second at an average export speed of 6 pets, it ultimately takes about 50 seconds. Okay, so you can see that 2 videos were exported because I made some cuts to the videos. Next, we will import other materials and output the final video, process the remaining 3 types of videos, and see how the output works. The repair effect of the animation in the scene is very good, and it is obvious that the video is clearer. After zooming in, the repair details is also very good, and the lines of the object are restored very clearly. Facial detail repair is also acceptable, much clearer than the original video. You can see that the repaired video has more details restored, and the image is more realistic. There has been a slight improvement in the restoration effect of the characters with some facial details added, but the effect is not always very obvious. So next, let's take a look at the restoration of the scenery. This is the 480 grassland details of the train in the original video. So this is the details of UniFab's restored grassland and train. It can be seen that the restored landscape details have become richer, and so the lines of the train have become more prominent. So let's zoom in again and take a look at the repair of details of the windmill here. You can see that the repair has produced obvious lines. Take a look at the restoration of the grassland. The effect is also very obvious, much clearer, and the picture becomes maybe more realistic. The restoration of the mountain here also reveals the obvious details and lines of the mountain, making the picture more like realistic. The effect is not very obvious when not zoomed in, but after zooming in, just see how the effect is. It can be seen that the effect is still very obvious after zooming in, and the picture is just more detailed and textured. Finally, at the end of the video, summarize it through a table. So let's just summarize UniFab's Video Upscale AI feature in terms of output speed, low resolution videos, black and white movies, homemade videos, and animation effects, as well as pricing. From the output bit rate, it can be seen that the export speed of UniFab is still very fast, and the export time is about 5 times longer than the original video. From the perspective of effect, it can be seen that UniFab has achieved a 4K effect after converting 480p just video. Rich details, higher video quality, richer colors, and a more like realistic visual experience. Finally, the cost of UniFab on this feature is like twin 99.99 per year in oil, 139.99 per lifetime. The product is currently on the pronunciation of 50 discount, and only costs running like 69.99 for a lifetime. The price promotion will not be canceled in the really short term. If you have a need to convert low resolution videos to high resolution, come and subscribe to UniFab now. We will provide you with high really quality service. Okay, so that's all the content of this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.